and gentlemen of the arena, and those listening beyond the walls, the moment has come! In the red corner, the iron-fisted Commander Krammer! And in the blue corner, his own brother, the unyielding Chuy!
Hear that thunder, Chuy? Even the sky knows you're about to embarrass yourself. You think you could ever beat me? Look at you. Soft, slow, hiding in that stained tank top like it's armor. You're fat, you're ugly, and you're still my little brother. The shame of the family. You think you could ever beat me?
We'll see who's still standing, uniform boy!
Take this!
Not done yet!
You won't stand against my power! Stay down. The arena has its champion.
I can't give up now. I have to beat him. No matter what it takes.
Impossible. After a hit like that, he should be finished. Yet he's standing. I put everything into that attack. How? How is he still alive?
Van a pagarlo. Todos.
Behold! The true power of a demon titan! Kneel. Super Krammer! ¡Se nos viene encima!
Have you ever wanted to create your own anime fight scenes using artificial intelligence, but weren't sure where to start or which tools to use? In this video, we're going to build a complete battle sequence from scratch, using Nano Banana to generate all the images, and Sora 2 inside Dzine to turn those images into fully animated clips. You'll learn the entire workflow, how to design your environment, how to create your characters in battle-ready poses, how to generate different camera shots using the chat editor, and how to turn everything into animation you can use in your own episode or short film. Let's take it step by step. Now this is the third video in our series on Dzine. In the first two videos, we covered the fundamentals. We learned how to create consistent characters from scratch, and how to use the chat editor for advanced image manipulation and even lip sync. If you haven't seen those, I highly recommend checking them out. They provide the perfect foundation for what we're doing today, and the links are right down there in the description. Block 1. Preparing characters, environment, and the base scene. Before we create any action, we need the two main building blocks of our scene: the characters and the environment. We'll start by generating the character sheets, then the background, and finally we'll combine everything into our base shot. The first step is defining our characters. For any animated sequence to work, the characters must be visually consistent. Same face, same clothes, same proportions, every time they appear. In Dzine, open text to image and select the Nano Banana model. which works exceptionally well with anime-style artwork. Here we'll generate a simple character sheet with multiple angles, a front view, a three-quarter view, a natural standing pose, and maybe a more intense or combat-focused expression. In the prompt, include all the essential details: hairstyle and color, clothing design, skin tone, body type, art style, and any accessories that define the character. Double-check that everything matches. The face looks the same, the colors are consistent, and the outfit doesn't change. These images will be the foundation for all the poses and shots we create later. Next, we need the environment where the fight will take place. We'll also generate this using Nano Banana in text-to-image and select a 16:9 aspect ratio for a horizontal video format. For now, describe only the background, no characters. This helps keep the environment clean and easier to animate later. For example, empty anime-style coliseum, cracked stone floor, dark grandstands in the background, tall side towers, nighttime sky with lightning, soft lighting, 2D style. Choose the one with the clearest composition, good lighting, clean shapes, and enough space to place the characters. Creating the base. Shot. Once we have both the characters and the background, we can create the base shot of the confrontation. In Nano Banana, write a prompt that merges everything. Create a scene where these two characters confront each other in that environment. If something feels off, adjust the prompt. Move the camera back, center the characters, simplify the lighting. Repeat until you have a solid, balanced base image ready for editing. Block 2. Creating variants and action. Poses with Chat Editor. Now that we have our base scene, we'll create several variations of it and then generate the key poses the animation will be built from. We'll do all of this using the Chat Editor, which lets us modify the image while keeping everything visually consistent. Opening the scene in Chat Editor. Select the base image and click Chat Editor. You'll see the image enlarged with a text field below for instructions. Make sure Nano Banana is still selected and keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. Creating variants. In any fight scene, having multiple camera angles is essential for pacing. Let's create a wide shot. Keep both characters in the same positions. Then a medium shot of the left character. Each of these shots will be extremely useful once we animate the sequence with Sora 2. These images will define the flow of the fight. With our scene variations and action poses ready, we now have all the images we need to start animating with Sora 2. Block 3. Animating with Sora 2, image to video. Now let's turn all these images into animated clips using Sora 2 inside Dzine. Initial setup. In AI Video, choose the Sora 2 model. Set aspect ratio 16:9. Quality 720p or 1080p. Clip duration 4 to 12 seconds depending on the shot. Load your image. Start with the wide shot. Once it's loaded, the animation will depend entirely on the prompt. Writing the prompt. Motion control. The goal isn't to describe the image. Sora already sees it. Your job is to describe how it should move. Both fighters hold their positions. Light wind moves the cape on the left character and the clothing on the right. The camera performs a slow left-to-right pan. Lightning flashes in the sky. Maintain 2D anime style, no design changes. Clear, controlled instructions produce the best results. Review and refine. Once the clip is generated, review. Are the characters consistent? Is the camera stable? Is the background steady? If not, reduce camera movement to a gentle pan. Keep original facial features. Stabilize the background. Regenerate until it's clean and stable. Animating action. Poses. Now load the attack pose. For example, the left character steps forward quickly and throws a punch. Camera moves in slightly to follow the motion. The right character leans back in reaction. Keep original design. These work well in 4 to 8 second clips. Do the same for the defensive pose, reaction pose, and simultaneous attack pose. Each clip becomes a micro scene you can edit together. Varying the shots. Don't forget to animate your medium shots and close-ups. These help maintain strong pacing. If Sora 2 distorts the character. If Sora 2 changes a face or outfit, discard the clip, reload the original image. Use a stricter prompt. Maintain the original design, no facial, clothing, or proportion changes. If it still happens, minimal movement, stable camera, preserve design. Saving the clips. When everything looks good, download all the clips. These are your building blocks for the final fight edit. Block 4, adding dialogue directly in Sora 2. Adding dialogue in the prompt. One of Sora 2's most useful features is the ability to generate voice directly from the prompt. The character steps forward and says, "You're not getting away this time." Firm tone, natural lip sync. Or for the antagonist, the character looks at the camera and says, "You can't defeat me." Confident, cold tone. Tone, emotion, and delivery. You can control emotion. 2-character dialogue. For conversations, animate each character's line in separate clips and combine them in editing. Block 5. Multi-character, lip sync in Dzine. If you need even more control, Dzine includes a multi-character lip sync tool. You can import your animated clips, assign voices individually, and fine-tune timing and expression. This is especially useful for longer conversations or scenes with multiple characters interacting. With this workflow, you now have everything you need to create full anime-style combat scenes using artificial intelligence. We've covered character creation, environment design, pose generation, Sora 2 animation, adding dialogue, and using multi-character lip sync for full performance control. From here, you can expand the sequence, build a complete battle, or even start developing your own AI-driven anime series. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.